I am Ilia Shishkov, I work at Yandex and I'm a member of ICPC Analytics team. And I want to represent you the solution of problem D, gene folding. So in this problem, we have a string that consists of letters A, C, T, G. And if this string has a palindromic prefix or suffix, for example, A, C, C, A, T, T, A, because the palindromic suffix or prefix should have an even length. So if we have such a prefix, we can chop its half, for example, here and here. And the goal of our problem is to get the shortest possible string as a result of our operations. So let's get to the solution. The first thing we should do is prove that the greedy approach works in this problem. So let's look at some situations. For example, we have a palindromic prefix and has another one that is longer. And if we use a greedy approach, then we should choose the longest one. And it makes sense because let's just look how these parts have. So we have a middle of the longest part, we have a middle of the shortest part, and this part, this piece of palindrome is present here. Since it's palindrome, this piece also is here. And we have these equal pieces, and X is also here. And since we have a palindrome, we have these pieces also here. So, and here we see that we can, if we take the first one, we chop its half, and then we get another palindrome, and also can chop its part also. It's the same if we just remove the first part of the longest palindrome. And in this case, where we have palindromes that overlap, we can just greedily chop the parts so that we have nothing to chop anymore. Since greedy approach works here, what was the solution? We can apply Maneker algorithm to our string, and for each index to calculate the longest palindrome which has middle in this index, palindrome of even length. Then we greedily chop prefixes that are halves of the palindrome from the left side of the string. Then we reverse our string, for example. Also apply Maneker algorithm and do the same thing from the right end. We also chop left prefixes if they are halves of palindrome, and this way we get the shortest possible string after all the operations. Thank you.